Sany developed its own excavator from scratch, climbed to the top spot of the industry, and maintained its market share #1 for 6 years, and has sales volumes of more than 100,000 in China, which is a miracle in the construction machinery history of the development of the world. Sany Heavy Machinery Company Limited is a large-scale heavy industrial enterprise whose main business is manufacturing and selling excavators, loaders, rotary drills, and other construction machines and accessories. It is one of the core enterprises of Sany Group. Sany Excavators had won the first place in 6 straight years and China's market share of more than 20%. After-sales service has ranked the first in 7 straight years in China. Foster top-grade talent and make extraordinary society contribution. We aim to be the leading enterprise of excavator industry in the world and create a world-class excavator brand. In 2013, Sany Heavy Machinery and meet the requirements of different markets in the world. Everything for the value creation of customers is the key of Sany's success. Sany Heavy Machinery has the delicacy production process management and many quality inspection and test centers in China, guaranteed high reliability of the product. Sany also will get feedback from the customers in the first time to provide available advice responsibilities. From design to production, we strive to build energy-saving yet highly efficient products to reflect our commitment to a cleaner environment. We have participated in various disaster relief efforts around the globe, but always prevail over corporate benefits. Machinery carries a dream of national industry and will be working hard for the construction of better homes in the world. This is Sany Heavy Machinery. Quality changes